Hi everyone, it's Shelly from MacPhersonCrafts, and I have here the doll box that we're giving away. It is full of 12 of our RebornSkinFX doll kits. Each kit includes the COA and a body. Send in your 5 best pics of any of our new RebornSkinFX doll kits that you have reborn since our launch. And you'll have a chance to win this goodie box worth $1,000. You can submit as many entries as you want to RebornSkinFX@MacPhersonCrafts.com and do it by September 30th, 2022 to have a chance to win. There's more information on our website and in the newsletter that just went out. Any of our new Made in Spain RebornSkinFX doll kits qualify, so have fun and happy painting.